about it. Extra, extra, read about it. Say you wanna beef about it. We gon' come and see about it. Flexing ain't discreet about it.
IT learning syllabus is laid out for business analysis is that we cover some hardcore topics of business analysis and project management like project charter, BRD, FSD, UML. But then BA is more than just these topics. A BA has to be a fully proficient IT professional, and as such, I also want to teach you QA topics like test plan and test cases. I want to teach you overall IT principles like SQL, XML, and of course, no BA course will be complete without software development lifecycle discussions like Waterfall, Agile, and prototyping. I also want to talk to you about how applications are laid out. What is a web server? What is an app server? What is a database server? So this video today is pretty much a window into what you would be getting if you were to join this course over 10 days. It's 4 hours a day for 5 days a week for 2 weeks. So if you do the math, that's about 40 hours of training. So there are many things that will help you be successful in this course. Of course, the obvious ones, study hard every day, do your homework, take a lot of notes. You will hear a lot of new terms in this course that you would not have heard before. Write them down, look them up later on. Be optimistic, be cheerful, be positive, and have this attitude that, yeah, I can do this. Of course, a big part of this course is your communication skills, and spoken English and written English is an important aspect of being a BA. You need to have a can-do attitude. And then, of course, your English needs to be good. I know all of us come with a basic level of English, and it is what it is. But over time, if you're trying to make it into the field of business analysis and project management, your English should be pretty good, better than average. All right, by the way, you might notice something strange here. You might notice, wow, being technical is not one thing that you need to be a business analyst. And that is indeed correct, because really, you don't need to be a software developer. You don't need to have computer science, computer degrees, MIS degrees, MCA, computer applications, all of that. You just need to be smart, educated, well-spoken, and any technology skills that you need, I'll teach you in this class.